Drum machines have revolutionized music production, transforming beats and inspiring countless genres from hip-hop to electronic dance music. In an era where home studios are accessible to everyone, the right drum machine can elevate your sound and unleash your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting out, understanding the best drum machines on the market will equip you with the tools to craft unforgettable rhythms. Join us as we explore the top contenders that can redefine your music-making experience. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpick.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Korg Volca Drum, the best budget drum machine. Get ready to elevate your beats with the Korg Volca Drum. This compact drum machine stands out in the crowded market of beatmakers. While many models rely on PCM samples, this unit employs a unique sound engine, combining virtual analog oscillators and modulators. 6 identical parts, each with 2 layers, allow for astonishing sound design flexibility. Unlike traditional options like the Volca Beats, you can explore richer textures here, dive into a spectrum of percussive sounds that push beyond classic drum boxes. This feature makes it ideal for dance music producers seeking fresh inspiration. User-friendly controls simplify the process of crafting your sound. Explore possibilities with ease while maintaining a hands-on approach to music creation. The playback options enhance experimentation. Looping and parameter tweaks lead to exciting soundscapes that keep evolving. While this machine is powerful, some might find the interface slightly limited in depth compared to higher-end options. Embrace this as an invitation to focus and get creative within the device's strengths. You won't feel overwhelmed with endless choices, making it a fantastic tool for those starting out. What I love most about this model is its ability to inspire creativity. Each session feels like a new journey into rhythm. As you explore its capabilities, you'll uncover a unique palette that's both playful and professional. Check out the Korg Volca Drum and experience the excitement of creating truly original beats. At number 4, we have Alesis SR16, the best drum machine for user-friendly interface. Get ready to elevate your music with the Alesis SR16 drum machine. This device stands out as a top choice for its user-friendly interface and a rich selection of features. Boasting 233 realistic natural drum sounds, you can easily find the right beats to enhance your tracks. Customization is a breeze. Create and save up to 200 unique user patterns, making it simple to build your signature sound. With dynamic articulation technology, tweaking the tonal content of each drum is rewarding and straightforward. Versatility shines through with MIDI support, allowing you to connect effortlessly to keyboards and computers. Even on stage, integration remains seamless with other electronic equipment. Built-in effects boost realism, adding depth and character to your beats that many other models lack. One thing to consider is the 4 output channels. While it limits separation, it encourages creativity in how you mix and layer sounds. A plastic build feels basic, but it contributes to the device's lightweight design and portability. What I love most is how easy it is to get started and experiment, making it great for both beginners and seasoned musicians. This drum machine fuels creativity without overwhelming users with complex features. The Alesis SR16 delivers an excellent blend of usability and functionality. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting to bring their music to life effortlessly. Still searching for the perfect drum machine? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Novation Circuit Tracks, the best versatility drum machine. Experience the power of the Novation Circuit Tracks, an exceptional drum machine that redefines versatility. After extensive testing, this groovebox impresses with its upgrades and remains a cornerstone for music creators. Durable and portable, the rechargeable battery opens up possibilities for making music anywhere. No more being tethered to walls. You can jam outdoors or during travels with ease. Enhanced connectivity options cater to various setups. Full-sized MIDI ports and audio input jacks enable seamless integration with other gear. Improvements in sequencing bring an innovative feel to performances. Probability sequencing allows you to introduce spontaneity, crafting dynamic beats that surprise and excite. A wealth of presets enhances creativity and inspires experimentation, ensuring you'll find the perfect sound quickly. What stands out most is the user-friendly interface. Simplified controls and intuitive workflow facilitate creativity, making it less intimidating for beginners, yet powerful enough for seasoned pros. Deep features like the synth editor offer customization, empowering empowering you to shape your sound exactly how you envision. One minor point to consider is the removal of the onboard speaker. While it limits immediate playback, using headphones or external speakers drastically improves sound quality. This groovebox stands out against others by combining portability, functionality, and adaptability, making it a strong choice for musicians at any level. Explore the potential of the Novation circuit tracks and elevate your music-making experience. At number 2, we have Roland TR-6S compact drum machine, the best drum machine RunnerUp. Create beats that stand out with the Roland TR-6S compact drum machine. This innovative device packs a punch, combining classic sounds with modern convenience. Its analog circuit behavior engine mimics iconic TRX-0X beatboxes, delivering rich and nostalgic tones. One delightful feature is its compact design. With minimal space taken up by the pads and screen, you can easily incorporate it into any setup. The mixer-like layout enhances usability. You can smoothly adjust levels with dedicated channels and sliding faders for each drum part, making it easy to create dynamic tracks. Versatile sound options elevate your music production. The TR-6S allows you to load different instruments onto any channel, giving you limitless creative possibilities. From bass to clap, you can mix and match sounds for unique compositions. What stands out is the intuitive interface. Even a novice can quickly learn to navigate it and produce exciting beats without feeling overwhelmed. While the small screen is perfectly legible, some may prefer a larger display for more detailed editing. Adjusting settings can feel slightly cramped during extensive sessions. A more spacious layout would enhance accessibility, but adapting quickly becomes second nature. Using the Roland TR-6S has been a joy, offering incredible sound quality and flexibility. It's a fantastic choice for anyone serious about crafting beats. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Roland TR-8S, the best drum machine overall. Unleash your creativity with the Roland TR-8S. This exceptional drum machine is part of the Era family, showcasing advanced analog circuit behavior technology. You can easily customize your beats with emulations of legendary units like the 808 and 909, alongside a variety of samples. Being able to assign any of the 11 instrument tracks to an emulation or a sample opens up endless possibilities. You can experiment with hybrid kits, blending classic sounds with modern samples. Unlike other models, you'll find that the TR-8S keeps everything intuitive and fun. One of the standout features lies in its flexibility. You can venture beyond classic sounds, thanks to regular updates that enhance its capabilities. Recently, the addition of FM synthesis sounds offers even more sonic depth. This device transforms your approach to drum programming, setting it apart from competition. While using it, I appreciated the easy navigation and user-friendly layout. However, those immersive functions can feel overwhelming at first. Give yourself some time to explore. Further, the sound quality excels, providing compelling recreations of iconic drum machines. Each beat resonates with brilliance, effortlessly bringing your rhythm ideas to life. As you dive into music creation, the TR-8S stands out as the best option overall. Its blend of creativity, functionality, and joy sets it apart. Explore this remarkable instrument to elevate your sound and transform your music-making experience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best drum machines. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which drum machine you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.